Okay, Victor here again, restoringmercedes.com. This is the driver's side V12 engine mount. I made the video for the passenger side. This is the driver's side. So the engine is suspended and it's also propped with the jack by transmission pan. So basically weight distribution like 50-50, whatever the other ratios, who cares? I'm already losing my health over here on this. To be honest with you, this is ridiculous. The sun, as you can see, the sun is already going down just because this side took me like insane amount of time to do. It's not as easy as the passenger side, so this is really ridiculous. So the only way to do this, well, not the only way, I'm sure there are other people, put it this way, my way, the way I did it, put it that way. So I got my huge light over here so I can see very well, because you don't want to see nothing. That's the new mount. In the previous video you see that I removed the whole holder, the holder that holds the mount. This one I don't want to remove, it's still sitting over there. Reason being is that, oh god, let me go under. It's just that I know I'm never gonna make this video again, because this is the job that you don't really want to do. So here is your plate, there is your bracket. Let me put the light on. There, this is your bracket right here. And to be honest with you, it took me forever to remove that bolt, that one right there. There is literally no room there. I got it out, and I was gonna take the bracket out, but there's a pipe over there, and I tried to maneuver it around, and I figured, you know what, forget it. I'm just gonna take the mount out and put the new one in. On the other side, I took the bracket out, I took the shield out, I cleaned them back, I cleaned them off nice and clean. But this one, so many hours it took to get this one loose, not even out, loose. And yeah, so see, subframe is pretty low. It's literally like, subframe is like, come on, how much lower can you go? This is ridiculous. If you look from a little bit away, the subframe has dropped not 6 inches as somebody suggests. This is like, I don't know, a lot. So there ain't no 6 inches over here. Just even to gauge the distance here, this is like good 8 to 10 inches from the bolt that's up there. But anyway, still not easy, because this thing is, the pipe is in the way. I don't want to like take the pipe off. I want to finish this before midnight. So anyway, the mount on the driver's side, let's take a look at it. The car again is 85,000 miles. You saw passenger side mount. This is a resemblance of driver's side mount. It's been blown for so long, there is not even a hint of hydraulic fluid in it. So I'm not gonna make a funny thing about the mount saying, oh man, I'm so messed up, please help me. Bro, you have no head, what am I supposed to do with you? So this thing was completely separated. It was like, yeah, this is how it was. So yeah, this is the 85,000 mile mount. This string was there. Once I took the subframe off, this thing just came right out. So this is the new mount. I put the mark when I'm doing this. This is the date. This is exact date I'm doing this. 85,000 miles, 3/18/2018. I'm putting this mount in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just feed this one in there, and you know, just feed it in there through the subframe down under there, whatever, like, and I'm gonna tighten it up and Off it goes. This is the driver's side is a killer. It's a killer. It's like terrible. I mean, I'm so upset. I mean, I already got myself a 6-pack of beer and it's still not letting me be easy. I'm still uneasy about this. This is ridiculous, because also don't forget, the screws, they go in only one way. The distances are different, so they can only go one way. Well, obviously, actually, you know what? I have to write it on this side. This is how it's gonna, yeah, this is how it has to go. So I'm gonna write the label over here. See, I screwed up. The other one went that way, because that was the passenger side. It goes this way. Driver side, left hand side, goes this way. So I just wrote on it just because same way I wrote on the passenger side, but wrong. I have to write it on this, so whoever looks at the mount and will be like, oh, look at that, the readings, writings. It's like writings on caves. In prehistoric world. Yes, Victor was here. Victor was here. 3/18/2018. Boom. Booyakasha. That goes. So this is how it is. The driver's side is way more difficult than the passenger side. So unfortunately, it's getting late, and I'm not going to go through lengths of polishing and cleaning parts, because I still want to get this car down tonight, and I'm probably gonna finish really late, because I still have to put subframe back on. I have to put these back on. The other side is kind of like on, but it's not tightened up. Plus I gotta get all the hoses secured. I gotta get that bracket secured over there for the hydraulic hoses. There's a connector over there. So anyway, yeah, it's doable. Put it this way. The goal here is that it's doable without removing the engine. That's the idea. Alright, so this is Victor, StoryMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.